Every time you write code, you give life to an idea. You press run, and in a fraction of a second, it's transformed into something your computer can understand. But what happens in that hidden space between your words and the machine? Here at Shadow Compiler, we pull back the curtain, unveiling the invisible journey your code takes, from concept to execution to the magic you see on the screen. From the moment you write your code to the second your computer executes it, there's an entire journey happening in the background. But here's the truth, it's not magic. Let's uncover how compilers turn human language into machine language. It's a journey your code takes from something you can read to something your computer can run. Let's follow that journey together. There are three main stops on this trip. First, we have high level language, the way you and I write programs. Second, assembly language, a halfway point closer to the machine. And finally, machine code, the only language your CPU truly speaks. High level languages are designed for humans. They are clean, readable, and easy to write, whether it's C, C++, Java, or Python. But for a computer, it's like hearing a foreign language. It needs a translator. Your computer can't run this directly. That's where assembly comes in. The compiler's first translation. The compiler translates high level code into assembly language. Assembly is much closer to what the machine understands using short commands like MOV and ADD. It's still readable to trained eyes, but not to the average person. This is much closer to the computer's thinking, but still not the final step. Finally, assembly is converted into pure machine code, the ones and zeros that your CPU can execute directly. This is the computer's native tongue, the only thing it truly understands. At this stage, your code is ready to run at full speed. Imagine two people trying to talk. The one speaks English, the other only understands binary. The compiler is a translator in the middle, carrying every sentence across instantly and perfectly. Without it, there's no conversation and no program. So that's the journey from human friendly code to raw machine instructions. The compiler is a silent worker making it all possible. And in our next video, we'll see how it doesn't just translate, it also optimizes your code to make it faster and more efficient. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and step with us into the shadows where code comes to life.